Hello, and welcome to Belong, Appartenir, Community, Race and Space in the United States and France. We are so excited that you're joining us for this 2-week open course. But before we start, let us clarify what we mean by community, race, and space.
Here's how we're going to use the terms in this course. By community, we mean the groups of people that you feel like you belong to, either in a real or imagined sense. By race, we mean how we construct symbolic categories based on ancestry or your phenotype, and how these categories are constructed according to the social and historical context in which you live in. Sometimes we think about race as natural categories, but in fact, they're not. And then finally, by space, we often think about them in terms of the physical locations. But in this course, we'll think about them not just in those terms, but also in virtual terms, as places where certain activities take place.
Our main goal in this course is to engage in a conversation with you. A conversation in which we explore two cities, Paris, France, and Charlotte, North Carolina, and the concepts of community, race, and space, and how they intersect while you are exploring your community. In the same vein, depending on your context, we welcome you to see how other variables like gender, age, religion, and ability affect community and space. We've attempted to represent this in the different gifts where you can change race and location.
For this first module, we will look at how communities and spaces in which we live are shaped and structured today. Our general premise is this: the way our communities are did not happen naturally, and they did not happen by accident. They are not natural environments. By that, we mean that they are not the result of natural events. Instead, they are the result of decisions and social processes that happened over time. We will look more into that in the next module, but for this one, we want to look at how communities look and feel today.
In this unit, we want to make the familiar strange again. If you were to introduce your city, your neighborhood, or your community to someone, how would you describe it? So let's think about a few questions. How did you find where you live? Why did you decide to live where you're living now? Who lives in your neighborhood? What are the characteristics of the place you're living now? And finally, and importantly, who doesn't live in your neighborhood?